Sampling analysis runs on segments or along section elements. The latter needs no segments and is interactive. Create a section element, a button on. We just want to perform a sampling analysis, so we deactivate Affect Heat Flow option, and we turn on temperature sampling on flow simulation. Sampling analysis will be performed along this green line. Resulting chart can be found under Advanced Flows. As every simulation result, sampling analysis is available as a tag, and we can place it into a label. Now we can move the section element, and sampling analysis will be updated on the fly.